Guys, what the heck is this? What the heck is this? OMG. Yes! I'll join you with your laughing gang. Here, I can be hip with the kids. Oof, guys. Oh yeah, by the way, shout out to Scout. And her channel is Scout, but just Scout, not with those other 4 T's. And yeah, that's her channel. So now we're going to try out another animal. Oh, and this is, this person. Good to know. Try this hot looking penguin. Oh yes. Oh, what the heck is this? Oh, I'm excited. Okay, come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Reaching. Oh, what the? I'm like that. But, oh, wait a second. Hold on a second. Sorry. You just like applause me. For I am the T-pose master. I am the T-pose master. We will conquer. Wahaha. I'm Broken Goody. Jag me if can fix me. XD lel. Yes. Help her. For the next animal, let's see here. Let's try the reindeer. Oh, eating some grass. Then, oh no, I'm just like, I'm stunned forever. I'm stunned forever, guys. I'm stunned forever, guys. I can never be fixed. It can never be unseen. Oof. Let's try the hot-looking Arctic wolf. Okay. So, okay, I'm rolling around, and oh, I'm dead. And my mouse it's just sitting on my grave. My mouse is playing me some nice violin on my funeral. Oh no. My mouse is playing violin at my funeral. Okay. My mouse is playing violin at my... That's my death, guys. This is sad. I'm like laughing so hard I can't breathe. I can hire my mouse to play violin at your fun all at your funeral. I can hire my mouse to play at your funeral, okay? I'll do that just for you. No, run. 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 Let's run. We gotta run. Must run. To the betas where it's safe. To the betas where it's safe. Oh, I'm safe with all these art. Wow. Hot stuff. Oh boy. I am safe right here where I am. Well, let's try out the next animal. How about an Arctic fox? I'm gonna try a Arctic fox. I'm gonna try Arctic fox, guys. And let's see the moment of truth. Will it work? Will it not? Oh. Aw, man. ArcticFox.exe has not stopped working. Oh no, there's a shark. We have to run. It's for our own good. Ah. Oh gosh. I'm gonna run away. Run away to America. Oh no. I'm on a cliff. What am I gonna do? My bear is just eating honey. Oh no. Ah, wait. Wait, what? I can never go back. It'll never be unseen. Ah! Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. This video was basically just about the frozen animals and when they do the play animation. So, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Peace out. Whoop.